Happy Halloween! Today I'm making no-bake Oreo cheesecake cups. This easy recipe combines layers of crushed Oreos and cheesecake filling, tinted purple and green, and topped with whipped topping and sprinkles. So, who could that be? Oh, it's my neighbor Frankie. Hey Frankie! Oh, here you go. Hey Frankie, you want to help? Frankie, come here. You want to help me make these no-bake Oreo cheesecake cups? Okay. Huh? It's showtime! Place 20 Oreo cookies into a Ziploc bag and crush them, and then set them aside. In a mixing bowl, add 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened and a half a cup of sugar. Mix this together until it's creamy and smooth. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 8-ounce container of frozen whipped topping thawed. Now mix this together until it's combined. Divide the cheesecake mixture evenly into 2 bowls. Tint 1 batch of the cheesecake mixture purple and the other batch green, and I'm using gel food coloring. Frankie! 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 Where are you at? Spoon some of the Oreo cookie crumbs into the bottom of your cups. Then spoon or pipe in the purple cheesecake filling over the Oreo cookie layer. Add another layer of crushed Oreos. Then spoon or pipe in the green cheesecake mixture evenly into your cups. When you're ready to serve these, pipe on some whipped topping and decorate with sprinkles. And here they are, no-bake Oreo cheesecake cups. And be sure to store these in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at amylynnskitchen. Hey Frankie, you want to taste one of these no-bake Oreo cheesecake cups? Well, no, not the whole thing, just one. Oh no, you don't. Happy Halloween! Back! Oh, that's Frankie! Today I'm making no-bake cheesecake Oreo cheese. Oh, it's good. No-bake Oreo cheesecake cups. Frankie, you gotta say trick or treat. You gotta. Give it. No. Today I'm making no-bake Oreo cheesecake. Frankie! Hey Frankie! Trick or treat! You gotta say trick or treat. I just did it! Oh, woo! I put my hand in the whipped cream. Oh, it's my neighbor Frankie. No, trick or treat! Not happy Halloween! Oh, it's my neighbor Frank. Oh no, you've already been here. You already got the treat. Oh! Hey Frankie. No! Trick or treat! Not happy. Oh no! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! filling tinted purple and green. And it's tinted, oh, no, oh, come on. 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened. Ooh, don't even like how I said that. Oh, what was that? Frankie, you knocked the rat down. Then add Frankie's and 1 8-ounce container of frozen. Now mix this together until it's combined. Okay, there, we're done with the mixer. And I'm using gel food coloring. Oh! Oh, you got it. Tint 1 batch of the Now spoon some of the Oreo crumbs, cookie crumbs. Oh! Frankie! When you're ready to serve these, pipe on some whipped top. Frankie! I think I got it. When you're ready to serve these, pipe on some What are you doing? Okay. Frankie! Frankie! Okay. Frankie! No, not the whole thing, just one. No, oh no, you don't, no, no, wait a minute. I forgot what I'm saying. Wait a minute. I don't say, I put it down and then say, oh no, you don't, right? And then hitting. And here, wait a minute.